Acculturation, I'm going to put over here.
Is it use the stick to just staple it or how to put it?
Good question. Ask it 3 times louder, 2 times slower.
How should I put my towel on the wall?
You should use the blue tape. Okay, so there's blue tape. Thank you, I didn't explain that. Thank you for asking that question. Acculturation. Go. I want you to walk around. When I say go, I want you to walk around and kind of read them all. First time around, just kind of make sure you read them all. And then go back and copy one onto your homework. Okay, please listen to Ricky's question.
If there is a question,
Hang on, everybody stop, look, and listen. Guru, stop, look, and listen. Okay, come.
if there is a question, should I write correctly or
If there is a,
question? If there is a mistake, grammar mistakes.
okay, so my answer is, and so there, he's copying a poem, he sees a mistake. Fix the mistake and then go tell the person.
Okay.
All right, so if Ricky comes to you and says, excuse me, Elmer, that's a noun and you need an adjective. Fix it on your homework because I haven't collected the homework yet, right? Okay, go. Yasmin, how did you will you sit that in there? You know, a lot of times, you know, my heart, I want to give you a thing. Really, there's 10 fine. You take time. So, I think you need practice. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to roll the dice. If your number comes up, I'm going to take your paper, but I want to read the person who you chose. Right? Let me say that again. So if your number comes up, I want you to indicate which one did you copy from the wall. Okay? And the goal here is, are you using the right part of speech in your poem? Right? It's noun, adjective, ing verbs, phrase, noun. So that's what we want to check. I kind of feel like we need to read. We need to read a little bit. We need to read where are these words, why are we studying these words? Let's I don't have it up. Let's think about why are we studying these words? Think. Acculturation, integration, assimilation, marginalization, separation. Did I write acculturation or integration? Why? Why are we learning about these words in a history class at this time in the year? Okay, talk. Here we go. Let's choose. So how am I doing that? 2, number 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tiffany, why are we studying these words?
I think because our sermon sentence is same because we need to learn new culture and we need to.
Say that again. 3 times louder, 2 times slower.
I think we learn these words because our circumstances is same. We need to learn new culture.
Okay, so we are in these circumstances, right? That's one reason. We're having to choose. How are we going to acculturate? You have to do it. Do you have to do it? If you separate, if you're going to use separation, you have to acculturate. It is a form of acculturation. I am going to separate. That's how I have come in contact with your culture, and I am going to separate myself. That is a form of acculturation. Okay, all right. Let me ask a different question. How are these words related to our reading? Fernanda, I see your hand, and thank you. But I want everybody to be ready to answer it. Let's vote, or else, let me just see. How are these words, I know how these words are related to our reading. I know, I need to talk, or I have no idea. Okay, talk. Some people don't have an idea or not sure. How are these words related to our...
Native Americans, they need to learn new culture.
I think yes, that is. It is related to us because these words are representative about us. We do everything. We do have different types in this house. Like we are these individuals. We gain
Okay, good.
different culture.
Good. Alright, here we go. That would be 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Fernanda. Alright, you wanted to go? Here's your check. How are these words about acculturation related to the history we're studying?
Because white settlers wanted to do this with Native Americans.
Oh, okay. White settlers wanted to acculturate with Native Americans. Do you agree or disagree? White settlers wanted to or had to do this with Native Americans. Do you agree or disagree with your colleague? White settlers had to do this. Come on. This is, I can roll the dice, but I would love for you to. Let's go Elmer, and then Wilson, and then Hong Yu.
Okay, I think it is no kind of, it was saying that white settlers want to join Native American to their culture. Who want to do that was Native American want to like join themselves to the white culture.
Okay, so we have somebody who disagrees. So Elmer Elmer, help me if I'm misstating. Elmer's thinking, no, it wasn't the white settlers who were acculturating. It was the Native Americans who had to acculturate. Other thoughts?
The white settlers break into 2 groups. One group saying they want to use force to take the land, and one group said make them to have similar culture with us, then we can have control of them.
Okay, so now we have a little bit of complexity. We're saying, no, the Native Americans had to acculturate. Wilson's adding that from the text we learned that some white settlers wanted to do certain things and they were different from other white settlers. Okay, put the reading on your desk. So I'm going to give you a second. Take a look at the back, guys. I glued a rubric on there for annotation. So when you are talking to the text, when you're annotating the text, right? Some of you, eyes on me please. Some of you are just number one. Some of you are just writing questions. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. And that's fine to identify confusions. If you're in my ELD 3-4 class, we've talked about this. Why is just writing questions not enough? Think about it. Do you remember? Do you remember?
Yeah.
Do you remember? So I don't understand this, or what does this mean? What do I want you to do? More than that. I don't know. That's. ELD 3-4 students, stand up. Stand up. I need you to roll with your feet. Okay. What else do you, if you know what I want you to do in addition to asking a question, right? Stay standing. If you don't know, sit down. Sweet. Okay, that's still sweet. So most of you know. Okay. Tell your partner, and tell Elmer, and tell Francisco. Tell the people around you. What else does the teacher want besides just questions on the text? Francisco, I'll help you. Stay right there. Oh, Francisco, go ahead. Tell the class. Why? Because I talked to you and Wilson, right? So what is it that I want in addition to questioning the text?
Mayor question has to look for the answer.
Look for the answer. Try to resolve the confusion. Use a strategy to try to resolve confusion. That's what advanced readers do. It's like, I don't know this word. I don't know this word. Huh? I don't get it. Okay, good. That's good. That's how you start. It's like, I have a problem. But when you have a problem, you got to do something about it. So try to resolve it and put an answer. Or when you keep reading and when you find it, go back to your question and write the answer. this is what I want you to do. You don't really have to annotate like that. But when you do understand something, use a symbol and then annotate, then write. So if you notice, oh, I understand that this is a contrast between some white settlers wanted to convert, other white settlers wanted to displace, remember? So that's use a symbol and then write. Some of you are just writing, right? But you have to be able to explain to someone else how you are reading. All right. Answer your own questions, use symbols. I love you. Okay, here we go. Let me give these back to you. All right. So, woo, a lot of moving around. Back to the question. Who had to acculturate? Native Americans, oh no. White settlers had to acculturate. No, Native Americans had to acculturate. No, what was your point?
Two groups of people, one group say acculturate, one group say using force.
So kind of going with the white people are acculturating, but they're doing it differently. Okay, so the answer is yes. Remember, acculturation is this. When two cultures come together. So white people are coming together with Native American culture. They have to acculturate. Native Americans are coming in contact with white settlers. They have to acculturate too. How you acculturate is different. So if I take your land, what am I doing? Am I integrating, assimilating, marginalizing, or separating? Think. Which one of the four am I doing? If I am a white settler, if I'm Andrew Jackson, the President of the United States at the time, and I'm saying, we're going to take this land because there's gold in Georgia. Which one of these, and I'm going to take your land, I'm going to force you to move. Which one of these? Not this one, because they're all that. Which one? Whisper to your partner, whisper to your partner. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Separation. Good. Separation, right? Separation. Why are you laughing? What, I got something? What? I said, yes, you guys said something different. Most of the class says separation. They were like, no, education. Okay, separation, right? Remember separation? This is my culture, this is your culture. I'm going to keep mine. I don't want part of yours. So that's one of the things that's going on. Okay, let's reread and move forward. I actually want to look at the poems. Everybody mumble read the first paragraph. I'm sorry, under Indian, removal of Native Americans, just the first paragraph, please. Go. I got you. All right, let's get a reader for the class. 3 times louder, 2 times slower. From row number 3, so there's one back, seat number 5. Go. 3 times louder, 2 times slower. Start with the subtitle.
Removal of Native Americans. Since the 1000, that's 1600s.
Good job.
White settlers had one or two attendants.
Try that one again. Everybody together.
Attitudes.
Attitudes. Okay, start again. Since
the 1600s, white settlers had held one or two attitudes for Native Americans.
when I say go, I want you to circle all the verbs. Circle all the verbs. Only verbs. Go. Just in that first paragraph. Just in that first paragraph.